Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a phone. First, locate the Roblox application in your phone's App Store, like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Roblox and tap the download button. It's a free download. Once installed, open the app, then either log into your existing account or create a brand new one using your email and a strong password. You will be ready to begin your adventure very quickly. For the best experience, your phone should meet a few key requirements. Your device needs to be running an updated operating system, typically iOS 13 or Android 9 or a later version. Also, ensure you have sufficient free storage, ideally more than 150 megabytes, to handle game updates and downloaded content. A stable internet connection, whether through Wi-Fi or a strong 4G or 5G cellular network, prevents lag and disconnections during play. Once you are logged in, you will find the mobile app incredibly user-friendly. The home screen showcases popular games and personalized recommendations for you to explore. Use the navigation bar at the bottom to search for specific experiences, join groups, or check out your friend activity. You can also easily access your avatar customization options and manage your in-game inventory, making your character uniquely yours with just a few taps. Playing games on your phone is highly intuitive with touch controls. You will primarily use a virtual joystick on the left side of the screen for movement, while swiping on the right side controls your camera view. Tapping on objects or interacting with on-screen buttons allows you to perform actions within the game. The chat icon lets you type messages to friends and other players, fostering community and collaboration as you explore new worlds together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.